Highlight tones are the visual accents of an image, and designing them carefully can instantly elevate the perceived quality of your color grading. How to design stylized highlight tones. Open Adobe Photoshop and import your image onto a canvas around 2,000 pixels wide to preserve detail. Then convert the layer into a smart object so adjustments remain flexible. Begin by adding a color balance adjustment layer and gently shift the highlights toward a stylized hue that complements the scene, keeping midtones and shadows mostly neutral. Lower opacity so the effect blends naturally.